Hi, my name is Jonathan. Today I'm going to teach you how to do Swift Coding Code 1 Episode 1. Issuing commands. Goal. Use Swift commands to tell Byte to move and collect gem. Your character Byte loves collecting gems, but can't do it alone. In this first puzzle, you'll need to write Swift commands to move Byte across the puzzle world to collect a gem. Look for the gem in the puzzle world. Enter the correct combination of move forward and collect gem commands. Tap to run my code. Okay, so first we have to figure out how many blocks and where the gem is. So Byte has to move 1, 2, 3. So he has to move 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. Now he's on the gem. So he has to collect the gem because if it doesn't auto collect, and that doesn't make sense. That's not coding. And after you do that, you will have to run the code. Now you collected the code. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not. Bye.